One of the irony of life and our worship is that we sometimes use in worship what would also be our means to commit a sin or to curse everyone. We use our heads for mental prayer, but sometimes it would also trigger temptation. We use our hands to offer and to receive, pero minsan, ang mga kamay din ang nagpapabigat at nagdadala ng kasalanan sa atin at sa bawat isa. And one shall not forget of all the things that we have in our body, what we have in our faith, is that nagamit tayo ng salita para sa salita ng Diyos. Pero nagagamit din natin ang salita para makasumbat o makasabi ng masama. The latter irony that I have shared is very much seen and felt in our readings for today. Solomon made use of his words to praise the Lord and to admire the Lord. But the Pharisees and scribes would use words not to encourage and even praise the Lord, but to curse and even criticize the workings of Jesus. Mga kapatid, ito po sana yung balanse na dapat po nating makita. Opo, biyaya ang magsalita, pero hindi winawalang bahala ang pagsasalita. Mas lalo't higit, hindi binabaliwala ang pagsasalita o ginagamit ang salita sa pambabastos ng bawat isa. Imbis na maging mapanakit sa pagsasalita, maging daan ito ng pagmamahal sa bawat isa at gayon din, binigyan tayo ng tinig para magpuri sa Diyos. It is good to remember once again the goodness of this God-given blessing or God-given capacity, which is the gift of speaking or the gift of our voices. Madami kasing may boses, pero nananatiling pipi. Madami ang may biyaya ng boses, pero masasama ang inilalabas sa kanilang mga labi. Madaming may boses, pero hindi ginagamit ang boses. While it is true that we are around a yet toxic society, sometimes a toxic society, words could be corrupted. But if we will just anchor our voices and our words to Jesus, maybe the world can hear words of love and words of care for each other. Kung may lalim po tayong magsalita, kung may talim tayong magsalita, magkaroon din tayo ng lalim ng salita para magmahal at magpuri. We might have a big and bright voice, but we cannot even utter a praise to God. Baka yung lakas o yung lakas ng ating mga boses ay nagagawa nating magamit para magsira ng ibang tao. Pero dahil mga kapatid, ang salita o ang pagsasalita ay biyaya mula sa Diyos, let us all the more maximize our words. To use it to affirm, to love, to support, and to extend the words of the Lord to each and every one of us.
Please stand.